you guys, how are you? Welcome to Life with Charlene. Today I want to talk about something that we all should be thinking about, and that's healthy aging. Now I have 5 tips that we should focus on as we go into our older years. Number 1, be mindful of your nutrient needs. That means to watch the foods that you are eating. Remember, you are what you eat. So if you eat junk, you're going to be a junkie. Well, maybe not a junkie, a food junkie. Which explains why some days you might just feel like a cinnamon roll. You want to just lay around and do nothing. But seriously, as you get older, you want to eat real food. You want to eat fresh foods. You want to eat a lot of vegetables. They come in so many different colors and textures and tastes that you want to get those vegetables in. Those are so good and healthy for you. Vegetables are really our best friends. They got loads of vitamins, calcium, protein, and we need a lot of that stuff as we get older. We have to really be careful of the things that we eat. And now if you want dessert, well, aging isn't about punishment. So go ahead, have your dessert, but be mindful of it. You can have a piece of cake, but don't down it with a milkshake, Just be mindful of what you're doing. Number 2 will be speaking up when you feel down. This is a time you may be living alone, and you want to make sure you reach out to people when you're not feeling your best. Depression is a number 1 contributor to older adults' mental health. And it's because as you get older, of course, your body doesn't work the way you want it to. You may stress yourself out because the way things are going, you're just not used to the slower pace that you're going at. You just have to be able to reach out to others. If you just are feeling like, you're alone and you're having problems, reach out to your doctors, reach out to family, friends, because staying quiet is not a strength. It's actually a weakness, because you can't get any help if you keep your mouth quiet. So open up, share your feelings with someone close, that you feel close to, and just stay open-minded. Don't let being alone or being financially broken down destroy your mental health, because it can. You can get depressed where you just don't get out of the bed. But the more you get up and get to moving, the easier that depression will come off of you. Number 3, and I've mentioned this a few times, medication reviews. We need to be on top of the medications we're taking. If we think we're taking too much medications, we need to be talking to our doctor so we can reduce the milligrams or whatever it is, or increase something. But we should be talking to our doctors about med reviews. Those are so crucial, because a lot of times you go to a doctor, and if you go to different doctors, they start adding medications on. And next thing you know, you're taking 9, 10, 11, 12 medications for the same thing. And you have to have one specific doctor that you're able to talk to, and they know your medical history so that they can give you the right medications or the right things that you can do to fix whatever is ailing you. It's like I went to my doctor concerned about my blood pressure because it was just really high, and she was telling me to stop eating a lot of sweets and to take my blood pressure daily, a couple of times a day, just to see where it's at and to see what I was doing that would cause it to be so high. So my doctor, she helps me to manage my blood pressure, and so we switched the medication to a higher dose, and that seems to be helping right now. So I'm very happy about that. Number 4 is a very serious one: fall prevention. As you get older, you don't lift your feet up as high as you used to. So there are trip hazards, and just, falling is not something you want to do as you get older. We don't walk the way we used to, heel to toe. We may walk toe to heel, big toe to little toe, but we have trip hazards. And rugs in your house, those are such a trip hazard. I would suggest getting all the rugs off your floor. Those are not only a trip hazard, but you have to clean them. And then that's causing more dust and dirt in the house, because as you get older, the cleaning is just more difficult to do sometimes, because you just don't have the energy for all that. So I suggest taking all the rugs and things on your floor off the floor. When you're going up and down stairs, walk slowly. Hold on to the railing. If you have to use a cane to steady yourself, do it. But just be very, very careful, because we don't want no hips and broken bones as we get older. I've never had a broken bone, and I do not want to start now getting broken bones. And number 5 is exercise, something we all should be doing every day. A little bit of exercise keeps the doctor away. So let's get a little more deep into it. I was on a mission at one point where I was doing the treadmill, the bicycle, and sometimes you just are not ready to do those type of exercises, or the time has passed for all that. And now they have chair exercises where you can sit in your chair and just, let me get my dumbbells, and do your exercises with your dumbbells. Because my shoulder is killing me right now. Seriously, it hurts so bad. My shoulder is hurting so bad. Now, I had frozen shoulder in this shoulder, and I got an injection. It's fine. Now this one is starting to hurt, where I'm having a little problem lifting it. But anyway, exercise is the 5th thing that we want to keep doing to go into healthy aging. So those are my 5 tips for healthy aging. And the biggest key to healthy aging, I'm going to say, is attitude. If you've got a good attitude, it just makes you feel better, because aging is not a decline, it's a promotion. You have earned every gray hair, every laugh line, every remember when story. You've earned all of those. You've survived heartache, the lows, the highs, the bell bottoms, the afros, we've survived so much. And it's like you're not getting older, you're getting more seasoned. You got a little flavor in you now, We don't have to feel insecure or make excuses to what's going on in our life. We can just say what we want and get away with it. Now go out there and start aging, so that people start asking you, what's your secret? What's your skincare routine? What's going on? Why are you so happy? Why are you so energetic? And you can just wink and say, honey, it's joy. All right, you guys take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you.